guys, Jaguar here, and today I'll be another unboxing and sound test on this P2 SoundPEATS speaker. Let's go to the sides. This is for Android and iOS devices, which is pretty good. It's kind of small, but the box is heavy. Let's color the sides. In the box, the speaker, an aux cable, the charger, and a manual. Okay, that's handy. And to the back. Let's see, wireless connections, battery, microphone, water resistant, bicycle, distance, and X space. I think that means 10. It's pretty good. Well, alright then. Let's get started by opening it. Oh yeah, by the way, if you guys want to purchase this, it is $25 on Amazon. Pretty good deal. So if you're like an outdoor person or does like sports or whatever, this is the right speaker for you guys. It's the manual. Got here a charger, the aux cable. Now for the speaker. Ooh, this is for the hikers or bicycle people, whatever. It's kind of heavy. SoundPEATS. This is for the aux. Oh, cool. There we go. Okay. The charger input and the aux input. It's kind of hard to put back. Oh, what the? For a tripod? Nah, that's dope. To the back. So both sides have speakers, and the top here are the buttons. Not very bad for a little speaker. Well, alright then. Sound test time. Alright. Now here it is. P2. Okay, that was the speaker. That was not my phone. Okay. Let's play some music. Alright, I'm gonna put the volume down to make a test real quick. I want to see how loud is it. Alright, let's find a song real quick, and here we go. Okay, it's down. Now it's in 50%. Okay, let's go to 100.
Saucing on you. I'm swagging on you. I'm ballin', I have a song on you. Watch out, yeah. I smash out, yeah. I'm spending on my fucking pay. Might have a song. When I started balling, I was young. You gon' think about me when I'm gone. I need that money like the ring I never won. I want saucing on you. I'm swagging on you. I'm ballin', I have a song. I need that money like the ring I never won. I want. I need that money like the ring I never want.
Okay, that's pretty loud just for a little speaker. And the bass, amazing. I'm a heavy bass person. Well, alright then. I guess that'll be it for today, you guys. Just an unboxing and a sound test video. If you guys want to purchase this, the link will be down below. And plus, I might have a second YouTube channel called Jaguar Radio, because I'll be broadcasting pretty soon. And I'll see you there. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter for more information on Jaguar Radio. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.